that to record? To recording. Okay.
The burning of Christmas tree.
Can't say anything about yourself. Wow.
Holy smokes. Wow. Here. Look how big it is.
That's very hot. More on this side.
I can't, it's too hot.
Dude, if that thing catches fire, all that other stuff is gonna catch fire. Holy crap.
Dude, you can feel the heat out here.
I can feel it right here. That is so dangerous. Look at all the things like going to different places. Can you put all this other stuff in there? Might as well. No?
No.